the most common verbs in Spanish are irregular, okay? Like most of them are, and that's just kind of how languages work. The more you use it, the more irregularities it's going to have because humans like to break patterns. I don't know why. But the thing is, you actually don't have to memorize these. The way I like to learn these is essentially just repetition through an exercise I like to call transcript training, which is where I learn vocabulary through native content, which you might have seen in my other videos. But the concept here is that the same pattern applies, the same like base or stem applies. And so, for example, for the point in the past, a verb like tener, which is irregular, its like root isn't how it should be. And so I had from tener, for the point in the past, should have been teni, but it's not, it's tuve, okay? But for the rest of the conjugation, you can see a pattern where this stem, this root, this base of tuv remains. And so it continues for the rest of the verbs. And so even though irregularities happen, like there are irregularities, the irregularities reoccur. And so it's not pure memorization. The way I like to learn these is actually just through natural repetition, meaning discovering these naturally through input, through hearing native speak, and then searching up the actual conjugation and seeing what those irregularities are. And I have other videos going more in depth into that process. And so